Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete account on TextMe. So let's get started. First, launch open your TextMe application. Tap on the Me option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then this page is going to show up. Tap on My Account option which is under Account. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of this page. Tap on Delete Your Account option. Go through the information first, and if you are sure, tap on Delete My Account Forever option. Tap on Delete Your Account once again. And this is how you can delete account on TextMe. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.